This is the story of a 2007 Porsche 997 GT3. Restored, customized, and injected with the soul of Manthey Racing. The 997 itself is considered to many as the perfect blend of an analog driving experience with the precision of modern technology. Founded by Olaf Manthey in 1996, the name has become synonymous with Porsche performance. From class wins at Le Mans to Nürburgring dominance, for nearly 30 years, Manthey Racing has built some of the fastest Porsches in the world. So when Porsche Santa Clarita became a Manthey Racing dealer, I thought it'd be fun to build something that wasn't in their US catalog. But what really put them on the map, the 997 with a bored-out 4.2-liter engine. For this project, we aimed high, a street-driven tribute to the legendary 997 GT3R, famously known as Grello. From the original 3.6-liter engine, Manthey machined it into a 4.2, complete with a GT3R intake system. True Motorsport 997 manifolds, an Akrapovic exhaust, and a single mass flywheel. All that power, coupled with shortened gear ratios for increased acceleration that would impress even the most seasoned of racing drivers. Then came the suspension. Manthey spec KW coilovers and control arms. And of course, the Manthey spec alignment. We also added a center lock conversion, paired with BBS E88 wheels, along with upgraded brakes and rotors for race-ready stopping power. The aero on this car is subtle. A Manthey front splitter for increased downforce, complemented with a GT 3.2 rear spoiler. And of course, the iconic 4.2 end plates. Small badges of honor for a big build. This year for paint, we chose Chameleon from House of Color. A color-shifting turquoise to purple paint, chosen because it's period correct and it looks really cool. The interior was completely redesigned in collaboration with Carbone. With an OEM Plus perspective in mind, it pays homage to Porsche's Thunderworks program. Magenta Alcantara accents with matching magenta leather and purple carpets. And as a special touch, we even replaced the Sport Chrono with a genuine 1968 Heuer Super Octavia Motorsports clock. In racing spirit, we upgraded the entire driving experience. Adding 991 elements, from the sport steering wheel to the GT3 RS bucket seats, as well as a CAE short shifter and roll cage, both paint matched to the exterior with a custom purple heartwood shift knob. The development of this car has been a rigorous process, working in lockstep with Manthey Racing to bring it to life. Every decision was made with performance in mind and zero compromise. We believe this is the only Manthey 4.2-liter build in the entire country. This car is a celebration of Porsche engineering, Manthey Racing ingenuity, and the pure joy of driving. The 2007 GT3 MR, restored and customized by Porsche Santa Clarita, driven by legacy.